All right, guys, if you want to see what a factory reed cage looks like, this is it. So it has these big metal paddles on it. I don't know if they're supposed to keep your reeds from opening too much or keep holding them down. You can also see how these reeds are no good. If you notice that one on the left is no longer sealing to the reed block. That reed is no bueno. And a lot of times you can really tell from the inside. It's going to be hard on the camera. But you'll be able to see light through them. It means they're no good. So this is just a factory one. I think this is probably the one that came out of my bike, but because I have a rad valve in mine now. We keep it around because you never know. I mean, it's not like they go bad, but never have too many Honda parts. We got the reed cage off, and it has carbon fiber reeds in it, which we knew that just from after the motor build. But as you can see, one thing to look for on your carbon fiber reeds, they work awesome, but you may start to get some fraying on the edges like that. They're pretty snappy. I did turn them around when we had the motor apart, but I have a new set for it. They're not the carbon fiber ones, but they're boysen performance reeds, so they'll work just fine. And I'm just afraid that that is just a very small amount away from fraying down into that opening, and we won't get a good seal anymore. So we're going to change them out while we have it apart, and then tomorrow we'll throw some fresh jets in it.